Welcome to my what I got for Christmas video. In this video I will show you everything I got for Christmas. This video is in no way bragging, but is an annual tradition for me, so I wanted to film it today. I've always wanted to do it in front of my tree. I set this tree this year, so I'm very proud of it. So I definitely wanted to do this today in front of my tree. It's a 12-foot tree, ornaments all bought by my sister, but my sister is all moved out and I finally took over with decorating the tree. Take a shot every time I say decorating the tree. I'm not trying to brag, but I love everything I got and I want to show appreciation by making a video and also just to show all the relevant things that I got this year. Let's get started and let's do it. Let me first start by what I got from Sephora. I work at Sephora now, by the way, if you don't already know. We had our holiday party and we did Bad Santa. I went first and this is what I picked out. Okay. I got a pineapple candle. This is from the fragrance lead, Michael. And oh no, it broke. Oh no. But no worries, it's just broken right here. I can still put it on display, just have this to the back. And there is the candle. This would be really cute on display or, you know, in the background of videos. That's real cute. And we also got ornaments from the store director. She custom made ornaments with glitter. They're very fragile, but thank you, Michael, for this. Sorry that it broke, but I'm really excited for that. Next item is from one of my aunts. So it's this necklace, and she told me this is real amethyst, and the earrings, this little drop earrings. By the way, because I'm downstairs, there's people sleeping, so I only was able to bring one box light down here, and I do have to sort of almost whisper because I don't want to wake anyone up. This item is from another one of my aunts. She got me a little token from the Sephora's Christmas. I do work in operations sometimes, so I stocked a lot of these. This is the Sephora Once Upon a Look palette, and it comes inside of a clutch. Open it quickly. There we go. This is probably going to be the quickest video I've ever filmed because someone is coming home in like 40 minutes. There's also ticking because there's a grandfather clock. So this isn't the best place to film a video, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Alright, so here are the colors. Really great for a smoky nighttime look or daytime eye. So you can do the nighttime looks with stuff on the bottom, and then the first two rows you can really do an everyday eye. There's a good mix of shimmers. Alright, Santa shall return back north. So there's a good mix of shimmers and mattes in here, so I'm really excited. If you want, if you sanitize it, you can put like, you know, maybe a clear plastic bag with cards and cash, so you can put that in there as well. There's a little bit of space in there, and then maybe a slim eyeshadow brush, array of pearly and matte finish eyeshadows. And I believe this is still available online. A lot of the SEPHORA Collection eyeshadow palettes went on sale a couple weeks ago. Might be able to get your hands on them on the internet, and if not, they still might be in store. I'll definitely link it down below if they're still available online. Next item I have, I'm super excited about. It is this. So my sister-in-law asked me what my favorite color was and what my preferred nickname is, because I have a few, and I told her MakeupANNimal is the most recent. So she got me a pink Yeti cup with the word MakeupANNimal, and there's a heart. And then I haven't actually looked at this because I kind of put all the Christmas stuff away. So double wall vacuum insulation, keeps drink cold, no sweat design, keeps fingers dry, and unfrosted Duracoat color is built to last, no fading, peeling, or cracking here. And I'm just trying to figure out what this is. I think it's just to drink out of the top. And I think that's really useful because a lot of times when they have this spout, I do tend to spill coffee all the time. So that is super useful, and the cup is really big. This is, how many ounces is this? 30 ounces. So this is great. I've always wanted the pink. I really dig the pink. Next item is from Sing, another token for Sephora 2017 holiday. This is the Gift Sexy Volcasmic set. This has a couple things from Glam Glow. I'm sorry if I'm looking over here. It's been so long since I've had like a viewfinder. And like now that I have it again, I'm looking at the viewfinder instead of the lens. So this has the Gravity Mud, the Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer, Dream Duo Overnight Transforming Treatment. Oh, so that's a Dream Duo. So there's that in there. This also went on sale. A lot of the gift sets went on sale. I'm not really sure of prices. I'll do the same thing in store. People ask me, how much is that? And I'll be like, let me check the price again. Because I know around how much things are, but I never memorize the exact dollar amount. But I believe this one was somewhere around 40 to 50. Okay, this is really hard to take out. So I'm trying. I'm just gonna open it like this. I actually haven't seen the inside of this. Ooh, why is it backward? Alright, so there's that. I like the really cute hot pink velvet holder. That's a really nice touch, because they could have just put this in a white plastic holder, but they didn't. And oh, this is a really good size for this. That is nice. If I were buying this for myself, that is a lot of value, because when they have these gift sets, they're really nice because you always get like close to a full size for amount of this, and then you get a whole bunch of stuff for free. I'm really excited about the Gravity Mud because I always see people doing this mask, and I just like it. So there's a Dream Serum and a Dream Seal for the Dream Duo. This is overnight treatments. And I'm really excited to try that. But look, I'm not gonna lie, I've had a gift set from Glam Glow before and I let it dry. I just like to make things last. I'm not gonna say stingy because stingy has like a negative connotation to it. It dried on me because I wanted to be like, oh, well maybe I can get like 5 more uses out of this and like I'll save it. I'm a saver. That's me. Alright, the next item I'm really excited about. I can't believe Casper got this for me after I just watched one video on it, and then I read that this sold out within less than a week, and I can't believe he got it because I was with him whenever this launched. I don't know how he got it. He was saying, this is from your idol. We both love the Kardashians. We love watching Keeping Up. So this is the KKW, I don't know if you can see it with this lighting, KKW Fragrance, and this is Crystal Gardenia. And I'm going to have to look it up because I don't know it by heart, what the notes are. Magnetic closure. It comes with a few crystals. There's 3 in here. I'll show you the back of the box too. Can you see? It's probably washed out. Alright, so here is the bottle. It is a crystal. This is the 75 milliliters or 2.5 fluid ounces. So I believe this is the bigger one. I haven't sprayed this yet either because I just put all of my Christmas presents in a corner and I haven't been able to film a video yet. I don't even know if I can get this out of the box, to be honest with you. That was in there tight. So again, this is Crystal Gardenia. That smells really good. It smells. So the top notes are pink grapefruit, luscious Anjou pear, and water lily, which is really cool because I love grapefruit, I love pears, I like lilies. Based on the top notes, this is a really great scent for me. I do like fruity floral. That's me, fruity floral. And the middle notes are timeless gardenia petals, I don't know how to pronounce this, tiare flower, and velvet tuberose, and the base notes are sensual sandalwood, solar amber, and skin musk. And so I'm reading this right here. The 75 milliliters is $60. To explain top, middle, and base notes, so when you spray a fragrance, the top note, first of all, the alcohol comes out. So when you spray, you have to give it time for the alcohol to settle before you actually smell it. Then you smell the top note, then the middle, and the base. So that also goes throughout the day. So your first impression of the scent when you put it on your skin is going to be the top note. The middle balances out the top and the base note, and the base note is what is left on your skin by the end of the day. And then when that goes away, then that is when you need to reapply. So I'm just going to spray a little bit around the watch. I sprayed it on the cap. So this smells very familiar. One of my favorite scents is jasmine, and I often confuse jasmine and gardenia. Actually, gardenia was in a lot of Forever 21 scents, so this kind of reminds me of my Forever 21 days. And I can't quite smell it yet, but in the bottle, it does smell sweeter than when it's on my skin. So I'm gonna give this some time to settle, and before I actually know my thoughts about this. I'm not gonna revisit how it smells, maybe, unless it changes in this video. Dropping everything. That's exactly what I'm looking for, what I dropped. So there's a little card in here. Rose quartz, the stone of love and emotional healing, enhances self-love and self-acceptance. I don't know if this is supposed to be in here because I have the gardenia crystal. These are pink. I just noticed that. But these are really pretty. I'll put this on display somewhere, maybe on my little background station upstairs. That's super cute. Next item is from my sister. She visited us in October, excuse me, and brought the gifts over. And so she had this ready under the tree. It is a KORS bag. This is a small crossbody leather, and I'll try to find it and link it down below. This is super cute, really great for, you know, Sundays and stuff like that. It has like one pocket, and it's stuffed. Yeah, there's one pocket in there. Let me show you. One pocket in there. KORS medallion. Really great strap. Smells like leather. And this is the Fulton for luggage. So this is really cute. Thank you, Mary, for that. Thank you, everyone, for all the gifts so far. She wrapped it in Dior paper. My sister's cute. So last item is from Hector. I'm actually using it to film right now. It is a Canon 80D, and it's actually the creator kit. I just did unboxing for this just so that I can film this video. It's kind of why I procrastinated a little bit making this video, and also because I'm sick. You can't hear my voice, on top of the fact that I can't really talk right now. No, it just got to the point where I was just like, I have to film this video and get it edited and put up right away. Here you go. We did, one of Hector's favorite things to do is go Black Friday shopping. He like lives and dies for Black Friday shopping and Grey Thursday shopping. We got it in October. I asked if it was gonna go on sale on Black Friday, and she said not likely, but maybe. And her response just was like, okay, well, we'll just get it now because we want to get it now. And it happened to go down on Black Friday. It was not in the ad. We just so happened to walk into the store and saw it at a really discounted price. It was $200 below the discounted price that it normally goes for in Best Buy. So we went ahead and got it. This includes the Canon 80D. So that's 80 and a D. It comes with an 18 to 135 millimeter USM zoom lens, a power zoom adapter, PZE1. I don't know how often I'm gonna use that, being that I'm in a room by myself and I don't have a remote to control it yet. And it comes with a Rode mic, and hopefully the Rode mic is picking up everything. I can see on the screen that it's picking up audio, but it's not as loud as it can be. And it also comes with a memory card, which is super useful. That way I can have one for my vlog camera and one for this camera. So that's really awesome. Thank you so much, Hector, for getting this for me. I really appreciate it. He is always setting me up for success, and I really appreciate that. He is such a great boyfriend, and I can't thank him enough. All of these gifts were really great. I really loved every single one of them. They all were really thoughtful gifts. All of them are things that I'm going to enjoy for sure. That is it for my what I got for Christmas video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, if you would like. You can follow me on social media. I am on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, especially Snapchat, and Periscope. Links will be down below. And until next time, guys, keep it cute. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Testing 1, 2, 3.